Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Sajid Khan. I'm a yoga instructor from past 7 years. Now, today we are going to practicing some belly workouts. So, I hope you all are enjoying the class. So, please lie down on your back. Slowly lie down on your back. Now, make sure join your both legs. If you have any knee related problems, then point in your ankles. If you have then point out your ankles. Then slowly place both palms inside of your buttocks. Now take a deep inhale. Slowly place both hands fully back side. Now exhale. Slowly lift your head up. Touch your chin to your chest part. Any neck related problem, then take a hand support. Okay, and remaining all of you do like this. Now place both hands on ears level. Now slowly fold your both legs. Now slowly legs in the air. Now slowly straighten your legs and be there holding 30 counts. And in this exercise, second variation, raise the both legs up to 60 degrees height. Now raise the both legs up to some more lift your upper body and be there holding 60 seconds. Now both legs 90 degrees height. Now lift your upper body. Try to touch your big toe and go down 90 degrees holding 90 seconds. Okay, and next. Now raise your right leg up to 90 degrees height. Now raise your right hand, touch your big toe, okay, and start up and down count. 1, 2, 3, like 20 counts. Same as usually, opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 counts. Okay. Now with the left hand, touch your right big toe. In this variation, make sure try to touch your small finger of the leg toe. Okay. Now twist your body. You can feel the twisting on your waist spot. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 20 counts. After completing the 20 counts, holding 10 seconds. Same as usually, opposite leg also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same holding 20 counts. Now down. Okay. And next. Both hands to the back side. Now raise both legs up to 90 degrees height. Lift your upper body and exit that. Touch and get back. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same as usually 20 counts. And after completing the 20 counts and holding, be there in the position 10 seconds. Try to touch the big toes and be there holding for 10 seconds. And get back down. Relax. And next, place both hands below of your buttocks. Now, both legs alternately up and down counts. Start.
Mi noko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. And next, both legs up and down counts. Start. 1, down, 2, down, like 20 counts. And next, lift your both legs up. Now buttocks also up. 1, 2, 3, 4, same 20 counts. And next, holding, lift your buttocks up, be there. 1, if you can hold, then hold. Not possible, then take a hand support. Holding for 20 seconds. And again, down. And next, raise both hands below of your buttocks. Now raise both legs up to 90 degrees side. Now start rotation, both legs. 1, clockwise direction, 10 counts. Anti-clockwise direction, 10 counts. Start. Clockwise 10 counts, anti-clockwise 10 counts. And next, Be there in 90 degrees position holding for 60 seconds. This is very beneficial for varicose problem, knee related problems and digestive constipation problems. Holding for 60 seconds, be there. And next, go down. Relax. And next. Interlock your fingers, place both hands behind of your head.
YouTube video.
Now, lift your upper body, hold your both legs in the air. Now, with your both elbows, try to touch your knees and straighten legs, both legs in the air. Start 1, 2, 3, continuation 30 counts and completing that 30 counts and be there in the position holding for 30 seconds. And next, fold the both legs again. Now place the both hands fully beside of your buttocks. Now raise the both legs in the air, lift your upper body. Now start. Sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continuation 30 counts. And next, place both hands fully back side, lift your upper body with your palms, touch your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next, after completing the 30 counts, be there holding for 20 seconds. Be there 1, 2, fully compress the stomach and go back down. And next, touch your toe fingers. Lift your fingers from inside of the legs. Okay? Lift your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue 20 counts. And after completing 20 counts, holding 20 seconds and be there. And next, straighten your both legs. Now, place both hands to the back side. Now, lift your upper body. 1, up, 1, and get back. Now, raise both legs up to 90 degrees. Slowly legs down. Forward bending and back bending. Both are coming. 1 count. 2. Get back. 3. Get back. Relax. You can do 10 counts. Okay? And next, both legs, fold and place both hands fully back side. Interlock your fingers. Your index finger denotes to the back side fully. Now, lift your upper body from your side. Okay? Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuation from each side. From right side 20 counts, left side 20 counts. And next, right side holding for 10 seconds and left side holding for 10 seconds. Okay? And next, place both hands below of your buttocks. Now straighten your legs. Now start cycling. Start both legs up to 30 count, 30 degrees. Start cycling. 1, 2. If possible, lift your head also. 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward cycling 20 counts and backward cycling 20 counts. Okay? And next, right leg in L shape and left leg in straight leg. Okay? Be there holding for 10 seconds. Fold your left leg, straighten right leg. Be there holding 20 counts. Okay? Now in 60 degrees cycling. 1, 2, 3. Same as usually. Holding 20 counts each leg. Holding 20 counts. And 90 degrees also cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as usually. Fold the right leg. Now holding for 20 counts. Now fold the left leg. Straighten right leg. Holding for 20 counts. Cycling in each and every variation. 20 counts in clockwise, anti-clockwise, 20 counts. And relax down. Now again raise the both legs up to 90 degrees height. Now widen the legs fully. Now rotate your both legs in clockwise direction. 30 counts. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise 30 counts. 1, 2, 3. And next, widen your both legs fully and be there in the position. Now if possible, lift your upper body, catch your knees and be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if possible, catch your big toes. Now try to touch your big toes to the ground. And be there holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Relax. And next, start doing crunches. Interlock your fingers. Place both hands behind of your head. Now fold both legs. Lift your upper body. Straight both legs to the air. Now start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next holding. Each one side 20 counts. Opposite side holding 20 counts. Crunches, each one side 30 counts. After completing 30 counts, then holding each one side 20 counts. Okay? And next, both hands fully back side. Now start. Fold both legs and compress your stomach and get back. Start. 1, try to touch here. Both is to forehead. Start. 2, 3, 4. Continuation for 20 counts and next holding. In holding position, you can do like this. Rock your thighs and be there. Pavanamuktasana. This is more beneficial for gastric problems. And relax. And next, fold your both legs. First, spine strengthening. If possible, catch your ankles. Not possible, place both palms beside of your buttocks. Then start. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 5 counts, and after completing 5 counts, then holding for 10 to 15 seconds. As it is. If you have any neck related problems, severe shoulder problems, cervical spondylitis, don't prefer this. Okay? And go down, relax. And next, bring both hands exactly shoulder level. Now raise both legs up to 90 degrees side. Now slowly drop your knees down from the right side. Now see the opposite side. Both legs up to 90 degrees height. Both legs drop from the left side, see your opposite side. Start continuation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continuation from right side 10 counts, left side 10 counts. And again, holding from right side 10 seconds and holding for left side 10 seconds. And relax. Okay? And next. Lie down on your stomach. Now, set the both hands fully forward. Now, deep inhale and down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. 10 counts. And next, place both hands beside of the thighs, behind of the thighs. Now, legs start. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. And next, holding in 20 to 30 seconds. Now, holding legs, holding hands fully. Now, start. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Holding for 30 seconds. And next, boating exercise start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. And next, lock your wrist and lift your upper body with your legs also. Now start rolling on your stomach. 60 counts, 60 seconds, hold rolling. Now continuation. Now relax. And next, on your elbows, elbow plank position. Now be there. Now slowly lift your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continuation 30 to 40 seconds. And next, with your left hand, try to touch your right knee. With your right hand, try to touch your left knee. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuation for each leg 10 counts. Okay. And next, slowly opening up and exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 counts for spine strengthening. And next, come to elbow plank. Start. Jumping legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuation. And next, slowly leg up and down. 1, 2, 3. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3. And next, holding. And next, jump, get back. Jump, get back. Jump, get back. And next, right leg fully beside of your left elbow, right elbow, and get back. Bring your left leg forward. Instead of your left elbow and start. With your left hand counts. And next holding also, okay? And next come to full plank posture. Now, lift your left up, kick your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuation. 10 to 20 counts. And next, raise the legs up and down. 1, 2, 3. Each one leg 20 to 30 counts. Opposite leg also. 20 to 30 counts. And next, bring your leg forward and be there. Forward and back, both sides. 1, 2, hit, and next. Then bring up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and next. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next. Slowly come to sitting position. Now, stretch out here, both legs fully forward. Now, on your elbows, Now, raise both legs up to 30 degrees straight and be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 degrees, 30 counts. 60 degrees, 60 counts. 90 degrees, 90 seconds, okay? And be there in the position, holding, and next. 60 degrees, holding, 30 degrees, holding, down. And again, both legs up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 60 degrees also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 90 degrees also. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. And next, if you feel any back pain problem, then again do bridge pose variation like this. 1, 2, bridge pose variation. And next, come to the same position. Now rotation both legs. Rotation. 1, very slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, and next 60 degrees also. 1, 2, very slowly. 2, very slowly. 3, 4, 5, and anti-clockwise. And 90 degrees also. Clockwise 10 counts. Anti-clockwise 10 counts. Okay. And next, on your elbows. Now straighten your legs and slowly lift your buttocks up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 counts up and down. And next, holding for 20 counts. And next, fold your both legs a little bit. Now lift your buttocks up and down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up and down counts 10. And next, holding for 60 seconds. Okay. And next. Sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana. Place both hands fully beside of your thighs. And next, slowly lift your body and be there holding for 20 to 30 seconds. Be there. Now up and down constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 to 30 counts. And next, holding. Okay. And next, sit in Vajrasana pose. This is very beneficial for your shoulder, arms, and your tricep muscles. Okay. And be there. Lift your upper body and be there holding. This is very beneficial for your shoulder and neck muscles or your constipation problem. Okay. Let's in air and start open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up and down counts also 10 to 20 counts. And relax. Relax. Sit in any comfortable posture. Take a deep inhale and deep exhalation. Take a deep inhale and deep exhalation. Observe your body from inside. Very deep relaxation. Feel the pain on an abdominal part. Keep the spine and neck should be erect. Very deep breath in and very deep breath out. Now slowly join your palms, rub your palms. Fastly rub, move faster, move faster. Slowly place your palms on your eyes, massage your eyes, forehead, all facial parts. Slowly open your eyes here. Take a deep inhale Exhale with heartful smile. Right. Have a nice day, all of you. Good morning. Once again, have a nice day. Take care of you. See you soon.